How to remove a toilet. The tools that are needed are a pair of channel lock pliers or a pipe wrench and a wrench to loosen the bolts that hold the toilet to the floor. The first step in removing the toilet is to shut off the supply line water valve. Next, drain the tank by pressing the flush lever and holding it down until all of the water drains. Next, use the channel lock pliers or pipe wrench to loosen the supply line hose connection to the tank. Remove the caps and loosen the nuts on either side of the bowl that hold it to the floor. Now the toilet is ready to be lifted off of its mounting. Toilets are quite heavy and usually weigh in the vicinity of 80 pounds. Get a good grip on it, hoist it up, and set it down again. With the toilet removed, you're going to have to stuff some paper or a rag in the hole to prevent sewer gases from coming into the bathroom. Remove the old seal. It'll have to be replaced. And that's how you remove a toilet.